Oh hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to Radtime Customs. Today we're going to go over tinting your lenses amber. In the past I would take clear coat, I'd mix some orange in there, and then I would spray it on until I got my desired effect. Now I don't have to do all that. I can just use this. This stuff lays on amazing if applied properly. And by applied properly, I mean prepped. I can't believe how many people don't properly prep their lenses. I mean, you want it to last, right? You want the paint to stick. So don't just use soap and water. You actually have to get in there and prep it. In order to prep these correctly, all you're going to need is a water bucket with some water in it, some 800 grit wet sandpaper, and a microfiber. Now when wet sanding, don't forget to get the edges. You want to make sure you cover everything that's going to be seen once it's mounted back on the car. After everything's all wet sanded, then you're ready to apply a tack coat. What's a tack coat? A tack coat is a light first coat. You use that so that the following coats will stick to the product. So when you get to your other coats, you're going to lay them on a little thicker. In between your tack coat and your regular coats, you're only going to wait about a minute. That's all it needs. All of your coats following, anywhere between 2 and 5 minutes. I know sometimes you can get impatient and you want to just keep blasting coats onto it. Don't do that. I've even supplied you with some things that you can do in between coats to keep you busy so that you will not do that. And lastly, when you're watching the video, it looks like I'm really laying heavy coats on. I'm not. There's not a whole lot coming out of that can. It's not going to turn orange all at once. You're going to have to lay a few coats on. So just lay them on nice and even like. Now let's check it out.